Hi, here's a quick AutoCAD tip for you. You can speed up the stirrup generation with the AutoShape function. All you need to do is to create a shape with polyline. Click on the AutoShape button. In the pop-up window, click on the Select Geometry button and select your polyline and space. Specify the cover for the stirrup. Next, go to the Bars section in the AutoCAD panel. Select Stirrups. Rotate the shape if you need to. Enter the necessary parameters for the stirrup. Make sure you create both the inside and the outside bar by enabling the both bars option. Click on the Create Bar button and place your outside bar next to the polyline. You can close the AutoShape window now. And there you have your new stirrup created with AutoShape tool. Thank you for watching.